Max is going to remove the seat just to get that buckle out.
Yes. And for example, sometimes seats is blown as well. We're repairing the seat as well. We do the restitching, change the airbags, do restitchings, and give to customers. And we have so many customers happy who have the no seeing about this one seat been blown before. We have a very good guy who repairing the seats. Is do very perfect job.
And he has a lot of years of experience.
Yes.
Before even us. Okay guys, as you can see, this rubber has been crumbled, and this is of course another sign that this pretensioner has been blown. But of course Max have checked the diagnostics first, and
yeah, it's example how to wanna look the original, not blown this tensioner.
so yeah, this is how it's supposed to look, so you can see the difference. Sometimes people as well, they put the resistors on
Yes.
these ones, and people who don't know, of course, they won't see the difference much, but it's going to be a bit struggle for you to plug in the seat belts. Max, have you had any experience in airbags before this job?
No.
Any experience with the cars whatsoever?
Little bit, yes. Cars is really my hobby. I like the cars, I like to repairing cars, I like to change every time the cars. I know they keep it long time, the cars. For example, I buy the damaged cars, repairing, the drive the half a year, sell it and going up to another car.
So the seat is back in now. As you guys can see, this buckle is nice and high. Before it was around this height.